Hey folks, welcome to MaverickEduCor, your go-to destination to unlock global opportunities through PTE Academic. Whether you're aiming for that dream university or a skilled visa, PTE Academic is your gateway to success. I'm Anant, your PTE trainer, and I'm here to create your success stories. Through this channel, we will always put our best foot forward to get you all the latest information regarding to PTE Academic through engaging videos. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications for more such engaging videos, as we have queued up multiple of them on YouTube, which is absolutely free. Do contact us on a WhatsApp number or on the email ID mentioned below for more information. At MaverickEduCor, it's not just about tips and tricks, but we are here to share decisive strategies, comprehensive guidance, and valuable insights to boost your PTE score. In our paid classes, we will make sure to deep dive into concepts and understand each question type with individual attention. On this note, I'm thrilled to announce that our first batch will commence on 1st May 2025. Do contact us for more information. Once again, welcome to MaverickEduCor, where language meets strategy and success is just a lesson away.